So my point of view on Anchor is it has formed a falling wedge, and the retracement is going to be from the back of the falling wedge. It's going to be that much for the short term, and for the long term, I would use Fibonacci retracement, which is possibly is going to take around 36 cents. That's for the longer term. For now, if it broke out, then that is the possible target, which is around 19 cents or 21 cents, either one of that, because this is very strong resistance here. Very strong resistance here. But yeah, other than that, if it's broke down, then it's bearish and hopefully will bounce back above the 618 Fibonacci, which is around 12. So best buy would be, I think, 13 cents, 13.39 to get the target around 43% to 19 cents or 62% profit to 21 cents. So, but yeah, hopefully MACD and RSI will go a little bit lower by the time it reached 618. So I think it's best to pull back a little bit more to 618 area. That's my thought. What do you think?